Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you a Subway Surfers mod for 2025, unlimited coins and keys. So I'm going to turn on unlimited coins and I'm going to turn on unlimited keys just so you guys can see. So let's see if they go up or not. It should work, but I don't know for sure, but got to play it by ear, I guess. But let's see what happens to our Subway Surfers account and we should get rich. So let's see. And bang, guys, look at that. So I'm going to show you guys how to get this Subway Surfers hack-free device so you can get unlimited coins, keys, and boards and all that. So let's get into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So first thing we're going to do, guys, is go to tweakmod.com. So let me just type this site in. It's a really awesome website. So now we're going to go to the search bar, type in Subway, press install. So before it downloads, there'll be a verification, okay? So this is the last step. You got to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free. These are all from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for it to load here, as you can see. So I'm just going to give it a second to load up, and we should be good to go. So let's see what happens, guys. That's how I get the Subway Surfers hack for your device. So yeah, it's super cool. So we'll just give it a second for this to load up, as you can see. So yeah, we'll just let it do its thing. And at the end, guys, it's going to say missing files. So you just want to download some of these apps. So as you can see, it says like Underdog, down and run for 30 seconds. So I could do that. Wiser Than Me is a podcast. True Finance, you got to find the app on the App Store. So just make sure you guys do 2 of the apps. Then you'll have the Subway Surfers hack. There's a video to watch if you're confused. But yeah, it's super cool, guys. So there you go. Tweakmod.com. That's the website for you. So I don't really do videos like this anymore, but I had to share this with you guys, so be sure to try it out. It's super cool. I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out, my gang.